That's VWLife. And look at there. Carl!
What's up, Gary?
Woo! Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go get some top notch.
Let's do it, brother. Top notch is calling our name. Oh, you want to go slow, huh?
That's fine. I'll catch up.
All right, buddy. Woo! All right, everybody. There's old Carl. We are having some time tonight. Carl met us over here at TJKHQ. We are southbound and down for a good night of top notch VW night. Let's go, baby. This is Sandy. Say hi, Sandy.
Hi.
So this is Sandy's list. So she has a 73 Transporter, and it needs some work. So we're talking about what we could do to help Sandy get her bus going, because it's not running right now, huh?
Right. It hasn't been running in over a year.
Right.
I didn't have the money till now.
Right. Where are you from, Sandy?
I'm a Navy brat. I'm from everywhere.
Okay.
I grew up on the East Coast, college,
Right.
West Coast, and lived in Asia and all this
Okay.
stuff.
So how long you had your 73?
Oh, I had it at least 10 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I love it. And it saved my life twice in that places that I rented, the place in Tucson ended up having black mold, and the place I rented here ended up having mold.
So
and
you live in your bus and it doesn't have
I'm
mold.
living in my bus in the driveway.
Right.
And the bus is saving my life again.
Well, good.
Yeah.
Well, we just got to get it going. So
yes.
that's
Because
Sandy's
now
list.
I have to leave the humidity and mold here and move back to Arizona
Yeah.
to get away from the mold.
Yeah, it's terrible here.
Yeah.
Okay, Sandy. Well, you kind of got an idea, so hopefully you can get some stuff going, huh?
Okay.
Hey, how's it going, buddy? Oh, look at that shirt. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, I got it just for today.
I like it. Hey, everybody, look, Shannon's here, and Sludge made it. All right, awesome.
Back on the road.
Back on the road. Good to hear, dude. And so what all did you have to do to it?
All the shift bushings, I had to change all those out. I had to do some rewiring of some stuff that some
rewiring?
incidents that happened on the road.
Nothing serious though, right?
Well, charging
How long a road trip was that? How many miles was that, dude?
about 8,000.
Jeez Louise.
7 weeks.
7 weeks on the road, 8,000 miles.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And I had no plans the whole time.
Yeah, that was the beauty of it.
Yeah,
You just did it.
Every night when I was camping, I would figure out where I'm going the next day and find a spot to camp.
I love following you and just seeing where you were headed out and some of the sights you saw.
I went to some crazy places.
It's amazing.
Down some dirt roads up in the mountains
Yeah.
that I didn't know if I should have been on.
Is this a good idea or not?
But I made it.
You did. That's
Found
awesome.
some beautiful spots.
That's awesome. All right, everybody. I'm here with
Larry.
Larry, tell me about your thing. Let's go over and look at your thing. What's this? Larry just told me he bought this thing at Mahan 50 years ago.
That's correct.
Holy cow. So you're original owner, obviously.
I'm the original owner. It's an almost daily driver. Yep. Again. It used to be a daily driver.
Wow. So you were living in Houston at the time, and
I was working in Houston, then I came back to Austin.
Okay.
Finished school and drove out to Midland, Texas.
Wow. So what have you done to it? I mean, it looks great. Is that original or
No, not original.
You had to repaint
it was in a wreck. Some of it's going off.
Right.
It's, original engine. Odometer broke.
Okay.
But that's on my second top. I have a bikini top to put on. But I put LED lights
on the front. Okay.
So now I can see a lot better.
Well, let's look at this thing. So it's a 74.
74.
Because it's got the vents. It's beautiful.
Well, thank you.
Holy cow. So you bought it at Mahan way back when.
Yes, I
You
did.
got to get a Mahan frame.
I think I had one and I took it off.
Working good, that solar on
yeah, it
top?
was really good, but the freaking it's so heavy. I put them at the end, but
Still.
it's like it was hard enough
The
before.
canvas looks great. Have you replaced it?
That was replaced as a bus depot, and that was such a, you know what, to get
Oh, I
in.
know. I've done half a dozen of them.
Man.
That is work.
It took a week. It took a week to get it in.
Yep. Holy cow. So, and you've had that since 04.
Third engine.
All right, let's get a look and see what we got here today. That's sludge. Nice red Jetta. I don't know if that's tornado red. I have to ask Coral. There's a GTI R 4-door. But look at this one. This is a sweet. This is, I think, a 337 or something. Look at that. This car's beautiful. We've seen him before. That's a little earlier than the. And then look at this one.
I've got a guy who's local. He does.
That's nice. So nice. So we got some water cooled here tonight. Pretty awesome. Look at that. That's an R. Then we got an EOS convertible. And that's Jason. Jason, right, or Jacob? Jacob. That's Jacob. And that's Carmen. And that's a van again. How's it going? Hi, everybody. Hello. I'm just making a quick run through.
It's Kirby, by the way. This is
Kirby? Kirby, the
'Cause that's where he's always, right by the Kirby.
yeah. I love it. Jerry the bus. Tommy 68. Denise is 68. Jessica's Cabrio. Whole 16 valve. There she is. That's the magic right there, baby. Woo! Lots of Volkswagens here tonight at Top Notch. Good night. See, it's nice out now. It's cooled off a bit. All right, everybody, this is Jacob. Hey, Jacob, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Who's this young lady?
This is Madison.
Hi, Madison.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So tell me about your Beetle.
It's a 1971 Super Beetle.
71 Super.
I bought it from a guy in Nashville, Tennessee
Okay.
last April.
So you've just this April of this year?
No, previous.
So you've had it like a year and a half?
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2
yeah.
years. Okay.
Yeah. I lowered it. I bought the wheels and tires for it, tinted the windows, put the roof rack on it.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much.
That's it,
I
huh?
think that's all that I've done to it.
Yeah. Nice. And is this your first Volkswagen?
So I had a kit car before this that was
Okay.
on a Gia chassis.
Okay. Okay.
And it kind of like intrigued me, but it was also kind of a piece of junk. So I got rid of it, and I was
Right.
like, I got to get something a little bit better and a little bit more practical because
Yep.
it didn't have a roof and all that.
Yeah.
So what I ended up with.
Now, is this your daily?
So I just moved here from Florida.
Okay.
About 5 weeks ago now, and in Florida I dailied it.
Wow.
I mean, I have my own, like a truck and stuff like that, but I'm a little skittish to daily it here just because of the way people drive
Yeah.
on 35 and
Yeah.
all that. So
Good
but
point.
I drive it as much as I can.
Good.
I'm ready for it to cool off so it can
Yeah.
be driven more.
Well, exactly. Thanks, Jacob.
Of course, you have a good one.
You too, buddy. Whoa, those are the wheels that are going on the 73. So when was the last time you opened this?
It's probably been what, like, before I
Before the motor?
Yeah, before the motor. So probably like January, before January, like
Yeah.
October last year.
It looks, I mean, everything looks good.
The netting.
Have you replaced that, right? That's not.
I replaced it when I first bought it, so it's
Yeah.
probably got a good 10 years on it.
tape over that.
Yeah, it just needs to be bent down a little bit. But yeah, it does touch something. Like, it doesn't have a good hole.
You know, these things are about as. Ugh.
Oh, what are you seeing there?
Trying to put these, because when I did that one on that 71, that was the first time I did a front opening one, and I just, for the life of me, could not get it stretched there.
Yeah.
So I actually ended up undoing the hinges.
Oh, really?
And putting it together and then putting the hinges back down. This bus is so awesome. Oh, I did not know you had that in there.
Yeah, it's very good.
So they can sleep up there.
Yeah, that's how we've done
Private room, huh? You pretty much you can close the door and everything.
Upstairs and downstairs.
So you put the little hatch over. Oh, that's the bed.
Yeah, that's the bed.
Did you make that?
Yeah, I made it. So they can put like 2 sleeping bags. You know, with 2 sleeping bags up there. It's not the most comfortable because it still has a little bit of a bow to it.
Right.
So if you're in 1 sleeping bag in the middle, you're fine. But
Yeah,
when
2.
kids are off to the side.
Holy cow! Oh look, he's.
Oh, he closed it. Yeah, he's in there. Cooper, open up the window. Yeah.
That's hilarious.
It's his little room.
I did not know that. Well, that's the way to make these, because that child's cot thing and that cot thing is like.
It had the cot when I bought it.
Yeah, that's
it was,
about as sketchy as it
was
gets.
super sketchy. Yeah, I did not know. And plus, I had 2 kids, so I'm not.
Well,
gonna
yeah. Where do
we
you
had
put?
the younger one in the cot in the front.
Right.
I've got that cot.
Guess what? They won't fit up there now.
Hey,
Especially that
we
one.
can let her.
That's what I keep telling him. He's like, it's fine. I'm like, no, that's what the tent is for.
Can you open it, Cooper?
I'm opening it.
Wow. Hey!
There's some holes in there.
Oh yeah. And this is Peter, everybody. Hey Peter, say hi.
What's up, everyone?
So Peter what did you have before? GTI?
I had a GTI Mark 6 that year, yeah.
Mark 6?
2012, I want to say. Yeah.
And then you graduated up to that
I graduated up to that, yeah. It needs some work. They fixed some engine problems in the back from the previous generation.
Oh really? What motors does this have?
This has the 3.2 liter flat 6.
So it's a 6.
So they're all 6s. I learned when I was researching it. But the lowest one is 2.9, and it goes up to 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, 3.8, and 4.0.
Okay.
They're just variations of the same block itself, but the head is a little smaller for some of the other ones. Yeah. A lot of fun to drive.
And what year is this?
This is 2009.
And this is a true mid-engine.
Yes, it's right here.
Yeah.
There's a pain in the ass to work on.
Yeah. So the transaxle's after the motor. Right?
Yeah, basically right next to it.
Yeah.
And the nice part is I guess there's no drive shaft because it just comes right off the engine. Yeah. And then what did I do to it? I fixed a bunch of stuff. The door, some of the small electronic. It's a German car, you guys know.
Yeah.
Everything
needs
everything needs a little tinkering.
It's super clean.
And yes, the guy who had it before me took care of it really well.
Yeah.
I had small things in here.
So the motor's under that panel there?
Under this panel. It's a pain.
Holy crap.
It's a pain in the ass to get to. But a lot of fun to drive.
Yeah. I bet.
Yeah.
It's nice that we're getting a variety of Volkswagens, even Porsches. I like that. We just keep trying to build the night here at Top Notch. And I mean, you know, it was hot earlier, but geez, it's beautiful out here now. That means it's time to go. See you, Peter.
See you, Peter.
Bye, boys. See you, brother.
See you, man.
All right, everybody. What a fun night here at the old third Saturday at Top Notch. You know, it's just a hangout, but that's the best part. Everybody just kind of visiting and hanging out, talking Volkswagens. Check us out at All Metric Garage for all your swag of VWLife stuff. We got all kinds of goodies there. And also, if you would, remember this, tell your aunts and tell your uncles and tell everybody you know about VWLife. This is what it's all about, just hanging out with buddies, and it's been a great night. Thank y'all for joining us tonight. We will see y'all soon.